Hey, thanks for coming back and being here. I know this is your #1 source for news on the internet.
Well, now it's Saturday. Yesterday I didn't have a recap because I spent practically the better part of the day hanging Christmas lights and I didn't finish. Now today, Saturday, I'm finishing it up, putting up the lights. I still have, other than lights on bushes, I still have to set up timers and things like that. And we'll see what the whole thing looks like tonight. I'll try to come out after I have my Saturday martini and take some shots. But anyway, I still got plenty to go. And this is the weekend to do it. If you haven't got your Christmas lights up, next weekend, get it done. Get it done.
Now, in terms of lights, I really want to thank Andrew McNally. He helped me with all the lights that we have to get on a ladder to put them up. So thanks a lot. I appreciate it. But hanging the lights gave me a tip that you might consider for your light setup.
I'm getting rid of these mechanical timers for my Christmas lights. You know, where you can't tell whether you push the little things up or down or whatever you do, and I have to use 2 timers, so it's almost impossible to coordinate them. I'm replacing them with these. This is Wi-Fi smart sockets. These are Wi-Fi smart sockets, and what supposedly I'll be able to do is control the lights with my iPhone and also program them. So we'll see how that works.
Let's turn to the news. Last week, as you may know, Kerry and Andrew, Alex and Hannah were down here. They left, they were here for Thanksgiving. We had a terrific time. Monday, I went for a haircut, and now I'm pretty much ready for Christmas. I'm good to go. The visiting nurse came several times this week to change the bandage on this hand, and she does a really nice job with it. And by the way, it looks to me like it's getting a whole lot better. Now also, the Eagles have announced that they will be closing early on Christmas Eve. And the indications are that they'll close about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So if you're down at the Eagles, or you're thinking about going to the Eagles on Christmas Eve, don't go in the evening. They're not going to be open. And then also, just yesterday, a dead body was found a couple of blocks away from here, out in a lot. Unfortunately, I didn't find out about it until after the initial investigation was done and the police had all left. So otherwise, I would have had fairly complete coverage for you on that, but unfortunately, I just missed it. Okay, let's take a look for the week coming up. Later today, I expect to be discharged by the visiting nurse. So she's thinking this thing is looking pretty good. Let's see. Oh, on Saturday, Vero Beach will have their Christmas parade. It'll be down on Ocean Drive, and it'll end up in Sexton Plaza, which is really not the heart of Vero Beach, but in practical terms, it seems to be. And unfortunately, I didn't see any like Vero Beach Christmas tree up there. But the parade will go off. It'll go off at 5:15. We're not going to be there. And the reason for that is that we're having a HOA, Homeowners Association meeting at that very time, and it'll be across the street in Bald Carl's garage. So we're looking forward to that. We'll get to see all the neighbors. You very seldom see them, but you have a meeting like this, and it's an opportunity to get reacquainted. Also on Saturday, well, I guess it's Saturday and Sunday, there will be a yard sale in Vero Beach, and one of the items that this lady has for sale is a replica of a gator's skull. I've got some pictures of it. I contacted this lady, and what she's looking to do is to sell this thing for $200. Or you can trade for it with something of equivalent value. personally, I don't know quite what that might be, but maybe you've got an idea. If you do, give the lady a call. If you can't reach her, get in touch with me and I'll put you directly in contact with her. Then Sunday, Karen the weather girl and I are going to get in the car and we're going to drive up to New Jersey for a couple of weeks for our basic Christmas celebration. The reason we're driving and not flying is that when we made plans to do this, as far as I was concerned, air travel was just too unreliable. In fact, I had the impression it's been sort of chaotic. So we'll take our drive, and it'll take 2 days, better part of 2 days to do it. But then we have complete control over our time and so on, and we'll get there. It'll be just fine. So that's the week coming up. And I hope you, if you haven't gotten your lights up yet, I hope you do it. I hope you get them up there this weekend. It's important to celebrate this Christmas season. So in the meantime, everybody, take care. See you next week.